Hey brave ones, in this video I will be showing you 6 Instagram hidden features which you and your friends will love. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be sharing to you a lot more videos helping you dominate social media. For the busy people out there, I will list every single hidden feature on the screen right now. If you'd like to jump on a specific one, go into the description and find the timestamps there. The first hidden feature is Discover People feature. Instagram actually promotes people who you might also find relevant so you can engage with them and connect with them. This is a great feature for finding like-minded individuals which can help grow your profile.
So the first hidden feature can be found by pressing the hamburger menu at the top right and then clicking Discover People. That way you can find a ton of different recommendations straight in your app.
The second hidden Instagram feature is the DM shortcuts. They are a phenomenal way which can save you time by enabling you to basically input a shortcut and a message, and every time you type the shortcut, the whole message is brought up. This saves me so much time as a creator who gets asked the same questions over and over again. So I definitely recommend you utilizing the DM shortcuts.
All you have to do to open them is go into DMs, click to type a message, click on the plus menu, then on the comment, and you can see all your saved replies. You can add new replies by first adding a shortcut, for example test, and then your message. Now every single time you type the shortcut, you will see an icon which will enable you to write the full message with only one click.
On this topic, there is one more hidden feature that Instagram doesn't promote heavily. It is actually DM flags, which you can utilize to flag conversations in your DMs, and by doing so you can prioritize them, you can search by flag conversations, and managing your DMs becomes a breeze. If you're enjoying the hidden features so far, make sure you subscribe to this channel as I will be bringing a lot more content on Instagram. The third feature is comment filters. They are a great way to get rid of those pesky spammers as well as bots in your comment sections. You can input specific keywords which you know bots utilize. For example, Bitcoin bots, they utilize the same kind of spammy template which you can block utilizing certain keywords.
The third hidden feature can be found in your settings, then privacy, comments, and then right under here, manual filter, you can turn that on, and then you can type in keywords which you'd like to block from your comments. These are just some of them which you can type in, and then based on that, every single time someone comments and has one of these keywords, it will automatically stop the comment.
The fourth hidden feature of Instagram is visited links. You can actually check every single link you have visited on Instagram, and by doing so you can basically create a library of links which you never forget. This has saved my ass so many times because I have visited a link on Instagram and I have forgotten which one was it, but by utilizing this feature I can go back in time and see exactly where I have walked off from Instagram.
The fourth hidden feature can be found by pressing the top right menu again, your activity, and then links will be visualized from your activity. It even shows you when you have pressed them.
The fifth hidden feature is post drafts. You can basically schedule your content on the Instagram app, and when you're ready you can just simply open the post draft and publish it. It saves you so much time because you can enter your caption, your locations, your hashtags, your content itself, and when the time hits you can only hit one button and the post will appear in your feed.
You can go into the posting menu, you can select your content, tap next, write a caption, and after you have written your caption you simply need to go back and this message will appear. Now you can either discard your post or save it as draft. If you save it as draft, the next time you try posting you can see a new menu popped up which is drafts.
And the sixth hidden feature is SFI lists. By clicking the arrow icon next to the follow button on a certain profile, you can get a list of a lot of similar and connected profiles. By doing so, if you have found one profile which you really like, by utilizing this feature you can find dozens of other similar profiles. And if you'd like to grow your Instagram presence, I recommend you connecting with the top SFY profiles as well, because by doing so Instagram will connect you in those SFY lists as well. And by doing that, every time someone follows the big account, there is a chance that they will follow you as well.
You go into a profile, you click the arrow icon right here, and again a list of profiles which are connected to the main profile shows up. You can even expand this list by clicking CO, and now you have an even better view.
These have been the 6 hidden Instagram features. Comment below, did you know about any of these features below? Go demolish that subscribe and notification bell, because I will be doing a lot more videos helping you dominate social media.